welcome back. I was recently asked, how do I keep my glass vases level while on the turner? So I thought this would be a good opportunity just to show you what I do. I checked back in some of my previous videos and footage, and I guess I never recorded this part. So I'm glad someone asked. So I have my vase, I have my Tumbler Turner. I got it off Amazon a couple years ago. I'll put a link in the description to one similar to this. This one is discontinued. And they all come with a foam piece on the end, and this is supposed to support the glass vase. This reminds me of the pool noodles, the swimming pool noodles that you can get at the dollar store. I haven't checked to see if it's the right size or not, because what I do is I just wrap this with saran wrap and it keeps in a really good condition so I can keep reusing it. But here's the problem. I'm going to put this on. It is a little snug as you get it on because the saran wrap and glass, you know, that's fun. But can you see how unlevel it is? You can see how if I spin the spinner, it's going to rub on the corners and it sags down. So that means when I'm doing my resin projects or I'm painting on it with my fluid paints, that all my colors are just going to keep sliding down because of gravity. And the whole point is the turner is just to keep it going so it cures and dries. But if you keep it going this way and down, then you get kind of a design that you may or may not be disappointed with. Who knows? So what I do, I'm going to pull this off. And it is snug, which is the kind of the ironic thing. Okay, whoa, don't break the vase. I have this towel, and I got it off my sister's online soap store. It's a tea towel. It's 100% cotton, and I cut it in half because it was a little long for what I'm using it for. I have tried just regular, towels, hand towels you get at the dollar store, but they tend to be a little thick. If you get it cut up in the right size, then absolutely try it. But here, I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold the top in half a little bit. And then I take it, I put it not all the way up because I don't really want to get it painted, but paint or resin gets on it, oh well. I'm going to fold it and wrap it. Try not to get it too bulky here because it might have some bulk here to begin with, but for your purpose, maybe you do need a little bulk. I'm going to bunch it up on the bottom so it can fit. And now I'm just going to work it on. Just be gentle. I put my hand here so it doesn't slam into this by mistake, because I've done that. So look, now it's on, and look, can you see the difference between how it was? It is level and secure and it's pretty firm. So then when it spins, it looks great. It looks level. I don't put a level on my projects. I eyeball it. And this looks very level to me because it's going to be hard to pick a level on this because you need to pick a spot you want to level. But all I want it is straight. I kind of look here to make sure there's equal distance between the device and the vase. And then I just make sure as it spins, it's not going down. And as you work your project, you want to keep checking in on it. So with resin, I keep my vase turning like this for 24 hours so the resin cures. But I will go in and I'll check every couple hours, every 4 hours. When I leave it overnight, then, obviously I'm sleeping. It's going to have to wait till I wake up. But I haven't had a problem with this losing its shape right here. If I just use this foam piece, then yeah, I had problems because it's all wobbly and it was just a hot mess. So I hope this little tip has helped you. Let me know in the comments below what you have used, what you have tried, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!